Faisal, and today we will learn about notifications. And in notifications, we have done our first part, which is notification channel with simple notification. Okay, now we will gonna create a notifications group in a single notification channel. So let's get started. But before that, let me show you that how you can create a notification group and how it will look like. So you can see that we have created a summary. And click on the button, first notification, and it will show you a notification here. And when you will create a second notification, as you can see that our second notification and its content, and first notification its first content. Okay, you can expand this and you can click on this and you can perform events on this. As you can see that this is a group of notification, which I'm going to show you that how you can create and what are the best practices you can do in group notification. So let's just get started. So first I'm gonna tell you that when you create a group of notification, you should create a summary with them. So let me show, I separated all of them. Like I have created a summary first, and then I have created a first notification and second notification, which will be shown in the summary. Okay, as you can see that I have created a summary. Now you can see that currently there is no notification in this summary. When we click on first notification, shows the first notification. When we click on second notification, it shows the second notification too. Okay, so I'm going to show you that how you can create summary and how you can create a group and how you can show multiple notification in a group. So let's just get started with creating summary. I'm just creating now this one, so you will understand that how these things run. So let me just type a text. Uh, Group summary. I'm gonna click here event on click, which will be create summary. Held enter and create summary here. And then we will take two buttons for first notification and second notification. This is the first notification. This is for our second notification. Let me pass ID summary ID first below ID summary below ID first. Okay, just rename this. So first notification, second notification. And before I'm gonna start. Let me just tell you that you have to create a notification channel, which I have told in uh, part one, and you can watch the part one in. I will provide you a link in description, so you can watch there that what is the importance of channel and how we can create multiple channels. So just get started. Click right here. Then first notification. I'm gonna do the same. Okay. And second notification. Okay. Now I'm gonna create a notification summary first. So private void summary notification, and I'm gonna call notification combat dot builder. this. Then we need to create a. Then we need to a channel ID. So here I defined the first channel ID, which is the same as yeah. As you can see that we have declared a notification channel, and here we have defined a first notification channel ID to this channel, and we will use this channel in here. So dot set small icon dot net dot ISO launcher. And if you want to set some text or some title to this notification, some summary notification, you can also set the summary to like set set content title and etc. But I don't need right now this, so I'm gonna use directly for creating a group. You have to use a unique ID, which will be like string group. Sorry, first group ID. I'm gonna name it as group first group. Okay. Now you just need to set group and first group ID dot set group summary true. You need to set it to true, and then you need to build. Now we need to create a notification manager combats instance, so we can generate the notification manager dot. Sorry, from this. Okay, so we have successfully initialized this one, and now let's just create notification manager combat dot notify. We need to create a ID. I'm going to create this one. Okay. Static final string. Sorry, integer. First notification ID, which will be 00123, and this will be summary, and second, second, 2, 3. So now I just need to create a utils dot summary notification ID. Uh, Remember that these notification ID should be different. Okay, so now we just need to create a notification. Okay. Here is our summary notification is created, so we will set it to the summary notification. Let me just start it and check that our summary is created or not. It's not, sorry, I have connected my all device. Just check. As you can see that our summary is created. Now let us create our notification, first notification and second notification. It will be shown in this same group. Now what you have to do is just remove this summary ID, and you can set your content dot the content title. So I'm gonna give this a name as a title name is first title, and I'm gonna set content text, first content text. Okay, just remember that you have setted this group ID in this one, and after that we just need to create a, and remember that this notification channel ID should be the same. Okay, and now we need to create a second notification. So with this and here, now we need to set the first notification ID and second notification ID. Sorry, yeah, we need to set summary notification ID, second notification ID, summary notification ID. First, just remember that this thing should be set group number one. So second title, second content. Okay, I think we have all set now. Notification ID, group, first group, first group, first group. Okay. Now let me just run and show you. Okay, we have created display or summary. When we click on first notification, it will show in that summary. Okay, and when we click on second notification, it will show you that first, second title, second content, first title, first content. So when you click on expand, this will expand, and as you can see that you can clear this. Okay, now whenever you create a notification, okay, just remember, if you want to create a notification in a group, I mean multiple notification in a group, so you should set the summary notification with them, not along, not alone. I mean not alone, like we have done here. We do not need to set this here. We need we should save this thing, set this thing in with the notification. So the whenever the notification created, the notifications will go in the group. Now see, we do not need to click on this button, first notification, and when you click on second notification, it will also was in the same. As you can see that here it is our second title and second content, first title, first content. Then you will click on this. Okay, and there are some styles with these notification, which you can check by dot set style. You can set as new inbox style. Okay, there are different kinds of style which you can set here. So if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment your queries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.